Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to install Postgres, and then we will install Odoo 13 Community Edition. We are going to explain how to install all the Python dependencies required for Odoo 13. Then we will install wkhtmltopdf package, and at the last step is to configure Odoo with PyCharm so that we can create custom add-ons. So let's start with the first step, which is to install Postgres. Uh, Copy this command and open the terminal and paste it here. So, and here it is a confirmation for the installation. Enter yes. This means that we agree to install Postgres. So Postgres has been installed successfully. The next step is to create Postgres user using this command, and then we will set the password for the Postgres user. You need to remember the Postgres username and also the Postgres user password. We needed these user for we need this user to create Postgres databases for Odoo. So let just run this command, copy paste it here and run it. So we have created a user with the name Odoo 13 for Postgres. Now we need to change and set up the password for this user. So switch user, sudo switch user Postgres, then run the command psql, and then run this command to set the password for Odoo 13 user. This will set the password for Odoo 13 user. The password is Odoo 13, so you need to remember this password and username. We will use this later to configure Odoo 13 with PyCharm for custom add-ons development. So the password has been set up. We need to exit this user, and the next step is to run this command to clone Odoo. I will clone it in home directory here. Let me create a directory with Odoo 13, the name Odoo 13, and then open this directory and then click right click here and open terminal. So I want to clone my Odoo 13 code in this directory. So I just copied the command and then I am pasting it here. I will also mention these commands in the description of this video, so please copy this. You can copy this command easily from the video description. So let me run this command. So git is not installed. This git is actually a package that we need to install first before using git. So let me first install git before moving on. So in order to install git, you just need to run this command sudo apt get install git. Just run this command, enter the password we have set up at the time of installation of Ubuntu. So yes, enter while this is just a confirmation message that you want to install it or not. it will download a git package and then will install automatically. So let's run this command again. It is creating a directory and cloning the code. So we have successfully downloaded Odoo 13 community code. In order to see what's inside this directory, let us run the command ls. So we can see that add-ons is a separate directory where all the Odoo code is there, and we need to run the command to install all the Python dependencies required for Odoo 13. The command is pip3 install -r requirements.txt. You need to run this command inside Odoo 13 directory where requirements.txt file located. So let me paste this command and run it. So as we can see that pip3 is not installed, so we need to install pip python 3. So let me paste this here and install it. Enter the password and enter yes. So this will just take a few minutes and I will come back with the rest of the steps. We got some errors while installing the Python dependencies required for Ubuntu 13, but don't worry, we will install it later, and some of the dependencies are missing. So let's just jump to the next step to download wkhtmltopdf package here and copy paste this here, but I don't want to download it here. I will go back to the home directory and we will run the command here. So it will just download the package. So we will run this install command to install the package from the same directory. So it just got downloaded, and let us run this command to install it. So click yes, and the package is going to be installed. So it will just take a bit of time. So let us just move to the next step to configure it with PyCharm. Click PyCharm to open it, and then we will create then we will open the project. So as we have already cloned the Odoo project, so we will not click on the new. We will not create a new project, but we will just open the Odoo project. So we can see that here wkhtml has been installed successfully. So click open and then we need to go to Odoo 13 directory and click OK. So let's just ignore this and just close this. Open this file and you will see all the Odoo file structure here. We have to wait for some time to load all the packages and files and all the indices for the PyCharm to get everything updated. So we have loaded Ubuntu 13 code in PyCharm. So the first configuration step is to create a config file where we need to define the redundant path and port number etc. So if you go to directory Debian directory, we can see the default odoo.conf file. So we can just modify this. We can use this config file for our configuration purposes. So our DB user is Odoo 13. We have created debit password is Odoo 13, and addons path is addons. So we have, this is the addons path. Our next step is to click add configuration option and then click this plus sign to add configuration. Once you click this pop-up will open, click the Python. So this means that we are adding the configuration for Python, and here you need to mention the name like Odoo technical course. Here you need to define the bin file path. Click this option to open up the directory structure. Click this and then double click select this Odoo bin file and click OK. So it has been added automatically. So in the parameter option we need to add the config file c debian odoo.conf. So this is what we need to define in the parameter option, and here we can select the um, interpreter, Python interpreter, and then click apply and click OK. So this is what we have configured Odoo 13 with PyCharm. Then in order to run this Odoo 13 inside PyCharm, click this blue button which will run this config file, and so click this and you can see that it throws an error that module py.pdf is not installed. This is because at the start when we were installing all the Python dependencies we got an error and some of the dependencies were not installed. So we will install it manually. Here we will go to file and then settings and then Python interpreter and then click this plus sign and then search for this py.pdf. Click install package. Here you need to add the password and enter. So this will install this package and it has been installed successfully. Now cancel this and click OK. So after that run this again and you get another error, so you need to install it all the Python dependencies like this. So when I click the run button, I'm getting this error. Is although this dependency is already installed, if I check it here, click the plus icon and click this. So this is already installed. So when I search it on Google, so someone is saying that there is an issue with the version of of this package. So let us just uninstall it first and then install it again. Then install it again the correct version. So what we will do, open the terminal and run this command sudo pip3 uninstall to uninstall this package. Uninstall, sorry, spelling mistake. So yes, so why it is uninstalled, and then we need to install this version. Sudo pip3. So it is downloading the package and it will get installed. So it is installed now, and let us just run it again. So it just worked, and then we need to check this if it is installed or not. This is not installed. We need to install it by clicking the install package button. So, and just continue this process until all the dependencies has been installed successfully. So let us run Odoo with this configuration and open your favorite browser and write localhost 8069. 8069 is the port number which is default port for Odoo web database /manager. So we got an error. So let's see the console. If you got an error, you will have to check the console to see what the error is saying exactly. So if you don't know what this error mean, you just need to copy this error text and open the browser and search for this error. So we need to check what this error means. For example, I will just search for this error and let me open this one and then let me enter Odoo and let me check this one. So let me check this. So you can see that the problem is your pghba.conf file which is located here. This line should be replaced with md5. So if you can't find the file running the pg4, so you can resolve your issues like this. And here you will see the explanation so why we got this error. So let us just edit this file. Let me run this command to locate this config file. Let's just open the terminal and paste this command. So locate does not exist, so we need to install this package. What you need to do, copy and paste. Enter the password and this will just installed in few moments. So let's wait for this to download. So we have installed this package successfully. Let's run this command and we can see that this file is located in this directory. Let us just open this command. If you want to edit any file, you need to run the command in sudo nano and paste this file. So we need to go to the file. We need to replace this with md5 and this one with md5 and this one with md5. So let us save this file and restart. What it is saying, after changing this parameter, we need to restart Postgres by running this command sudo service postgres restart. So we have restarted our Postgres. What we will do after this, we will restart our Odoo service. So let's restart our Odoo service and then open the browser. Type localhost 8069 and this link. So we have successfully installed Odoo 13 on our Ubuntu machine and also configured with PyCharm successfully. If you like this video series, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get the updates for each video we upload here. Also, please share this video with your friends. Thank you.